Welcome to Butler Hall. Come in.
Alright, so this is my desk. This is where I like to do my homework and study for all my classes. This is a picture of my girlfriend. She's back in Illinois, so whenever I like see that, it's like kind of reminds me of being back home. These are some views that I got at an event like the first week coming here as a freshman. So this is on my bed. It's up so high because it kind of like leaves room for the TV and the fridge and our dressers. This is a blanket that my girlfriend made for me, and so I brought that back, and I guess that kind of like reminds me of being back home and stuff. Since the distance is so far, it's kind of nice to be able to like just remember it like that. So we decided to put our two dressers next to each other with the mini fridge, so that it kind of is like an entertainment center to like hold our TV and then the PS4 on it, and it just kind of like sets up kind of like a mini living room.
So right here I have my hamper where I put my laundry stuff, whatever. I have my desk right here with my laptop, charging, and all my other stuff like my Apple Watch. And I got my supplements here, so just so I know to take them and I don't forget. I have my book set up right here, just so I study, so I don't forget to study. I have my hats hung up right here, my favorite hats. And then I also have this necklace from back home in Cali, just to remind me of the beach. And this is my bed, this is where I sleep. And here we have the futon where we just hang out and mess with all this other cool stuff.
So this is like our bookshelf. We don't really use it for books, it's more just for like snacks. We have our video games, and then we have like a bunch of different snacks, and we kind of share those with people that come in, and we kind of eat those like during when we're playing video games or watching movies or just hanging out and listening. Alright, so that's all we have for you guys, so we gotta go study now.
Can't wait to see you on campus.